just one of his many tasks according to the timesheet. Steve is the main man. Steve do this, Steve do that. And what's Roger doing? Roger's playing with the saw.
Preliminary.
He said he wasn't going to saw it in here, he was going to do it outside, but he hasn't.
There's a reason for that.
Woo!
There's a reason for that.
Yes.
The reason is that I wanted to saw it in situ so I could go along the edge of the pipe.
Oh yes, I quite agree.
And I think that's easy. And also, I thought, well, this stuff is just swirling around this.
Well, it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it? This is the dining area. It's a good time for another one.
Working back from the finished self-leveling screed. Oh right, working back from the finished oak.
14 mil.
Hang on.
Yeah.
Working back from the finished oak. We've got the finished oak. Then we've got the chipboard.
18 mil.
18 mil chipboard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Under that, we've got a pipe-in insulation system, which is 15 mil thick. Right, yeah, that's got some insulation in it, but obviously where the pipe is, it's only down to 5 mil.
Yeah.
Underneath that, we're going to put some insulation.
So we've got 14 mil.
Now, Steve, it's on that door there, yeah?
18 mil, yeah. And 15 mil. 9, 2, 9, 17. Right, that's 47.
That's what we've actually got in the way of stuff made up.
That's what
you haven't
use
included, you haven't included insulation in that, yeah?
No, you've got 44 mil. The word.
They still want to justify it, yeah?
Mm.
So, if I get this in on Monday, we need an inspection on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And then we can go straight over the top then. And if she's having a go about it, then we're fucked, aren't we?
Well and truly.
Well, maybe it's worth making a phone call.
Yeah, but look on the worst side. What do we do about it?
Well,
Apart from what raising all every floor in the house.
What we've got there, what we've got there.
This is where I come behind you and burst a paper bag.
That's right, and I disappear up through the hole in the roof.
There's another one hanging down there. Well, yeah.
So you wanted to third end that's caused by Darren Gagger. Here to try and sort out, it's in a very strong position. We need to mind our interactive options, our tri-active options, highlights, statistics, balloon stamping, they're all there at the press of your red button throughout the day.
On the other side, we know where I are here. The heating. Not a big powerful man, only even one man and off-road it before he fell down. And I was about this, not in the car, carrying something on. We can do something.
Now everybody can see. Couple your feet up there.
Also, in Manchester, A71 still closed after a vehicle returned 30 Asheville and Leamson before at Junction 8 had to use the A72 instead. Apparently, it's just coming to start longer moving on, but Joe and Sinbad were sent to that 2-mile queue which had built up on the approach. Also, good news from Cambridgeshire. The broken down block on the A14 has been shifted out the way. It was eastbound at Junction 35, still compliant.
A lot of the sites when they wear t-shirts.
Is that right?
Don't know where Bisbee is. It's running very late this morning.
Yeah. He's probably waiting till the plaster's
Actually, I
finished.
better keep quiet because you might be getting my phone from the service station.
That news discussion this weekend in there's all weekend on roads. Did you ever think among the rules? I well, among those rules. People used to do that. Still do. Still do what? Do all among roads. How many of the roads are? Good question. Very good question. Too many for me to attempt. As for the oil,